And hey guys, tonight I'm over here at the Grand Floridian pool, guys. It's just me and Morgan tonight, so we're actually going to be walking around the pool. So we always tell you guys, if you get the opportunity to check out the pools, well, this is another good opportunity to see these pools for what they are. At nighttime, these things really come to life. So you get to see one thing right here, nobody around. That's a quality that I love when I go down to these swimming pools. You walk around, nobody's there. If you guys want to go for a swim, nobody's in there with you. You got a few people, and it's nice. You got the whole pool to yourself, and on top of that, you don't have the sun beating down on you guys, and you got this beautiful, perfectly blue swimming pool looking at you. So as you can see, there's a lot of space on the outsides. Now these do have the rules posted as you guys walk in. They always have the little jacuzzi sections, the hot tub sections, and it's really well lit at nighttime. And if you guys are bringing the little ones down, it's actually gated in, so you don't really have to worry about them going anywhere. But we always still keep an eye on our kids. But we're making our way around the pool right now. Once again, this is just an incredible pool to look at nighttime. Even a simple little square pool or one that doesn't have a lot of shape to it, it comes to life. And here's a list of some of the activities these guys got going on over here. They'll always have the activity boards and the pool rules posted right at the pool. So you can see bathing load 180 people. That's it, or persons I should say. Then you've got the little wet bar in the back here, and it takes you right around to the back of the pool. You can see it's not very deep on the ends. You got a nice walkway right in there. And a lot of these pools will have a walk section where you can just walk in without going down the ladder, so you don't got to worry about falling and stuff like that. But just a real beautiful pool. It's also dark out here, and then you got this really lit up pool. And here's another look at the wet bar out back here. Now each one of these pools, the big main resorts, most of them do have some kind of a bar out back. So this one is out here, you can see that's just up here. It doesn't have any signage on top, it's just a little pool bar back there. Work your way around, you got these little water things that shoot up, so the kids like to have a lot of fun. And all the way around the outside, you can see on every single pool, it's going to post how deep it is. Here's a look up at the Grand Floridian at nighttime. So you don't have all that daylight, the sun beating down in your face. It's just quiet. It's a nice, quiet place. You got the main building over there where you check in, all the stores and shops. And it's just an incredible pool. You just walk around. It's nothing out of the ordinary. You don't have all the slides and stuff like that. And I'm guessing that in the future this one will have all that stuff, but it just doesn't have it right now. And this is one of the oldest pools that's on the property, as this Grand Floridian was here since the beginning. A look back at this nice place here. The building over there. Just quiet. And you got these little water jets all over the place. As you can see, the kids got the life jackets on. And as you walk around, this is the one that'll actually give you rose, and it also has the towel issue. So most of these got the towel drops and stuff like that, or the drop off for the towel. This got a towel issue. And there's your towel return. I'm surprised it actually says return, but that's something else up there. Guests under 12-year-olds require adult supervision while using the hot tub. And it is closed. So when you guys check into any of your resorts, always check to see the times that you can use a lot of this stuff. So if you're looking at them out at nighttime, find out what time all that closes. They do change periodically throughout the year. Well, once again, look at this blue from this angle. It's just a very beautiful swimming pool looking out. Now, if you got nothing to do and you're just hanging out in your room, why not at least come and put your feet in the water and just sit there and relax and enjoy all this? But we're going to catch you guys on the next one. We're going to head over to the other pool over there.